How to change your farm name on Hay-Day. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your farm name on Hay-Day. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is make sure that you've installed your Hay-Day game and you've started playing it. After you've done that, you will see your farm here. And on your farm, what you'll need to do is tap on these three lines that is right below your level. And there you will see the settings icon. Tap on your settings. And after you're on your settings, you will see different options. And right here, you will see change farm name. Tap on it. And here now you can change your farm name. You can edit it if you want to. So just do that. And after you've done that, tap on done. And that is how you can change your farm name. You can see your farm name. You can just head over to your profile, and then yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.